ball.
Okay.
The score is tied at 3 goals each.
Banging in my teeth.
Green team will start with the ball.
Yeah, man, you're getting good.
Yeah.
Nice try, dude. Oh, so close. Maybe one more time. Yeah, when I get 2 hands off it, it's bad. Let me loosen my mouth this side too. He's in my hat though. You have it.
Red team has 30 seconds. Red team.
Is that Rocco? Tie.
That's actually pretty sad.
We tied. Dude, that is a good team. We like even teams now. Is it tie?
That's got me a tiebreaker.
Yeah.
What
Tiebreaker.
happened to your hat?
Oh, I put it down. I couldn't, it kept falling off and I had to go really slow, so I put it in my teeth.
You got good. That's how it works.
Well, I had the camera, I just had my teeth. Oh, do you want to do tiebreaker?
Well, yeah.
A duel?
Yeah,
We're totally even.
keep your vest on. Get whatever you would like.
Okay, cool.
So.